I only have a short amount of time to talk about this, but we have a short amount of time as well to clean up our oceans. Did you know DoorDash offers you the option to say no to single-use plasticware? How many YouTube videos have you seen where they're pulling one of these suckers out of someone's nose? Not very appetizing, is it? Do you like penguins? I like penguins. You know those little tuxedo walkers? Shoo, buddy, they're cute as a button. And them baby seals. Ow, ow, ow! Yeah. Well, we're killing the baby seals because of these things. This came from a six-pack. And you know what happens? It gets wrapped around their throat. And you can just Google the ending images. It's deplorable. It's disgusting. It's party hardy. No one thinks you're cute sipping bourbon through a straw in one of these bad boys. Just no. Get a reusable cup, man. Get fancy. Something reusable. You can turn these guys, you can turn them in to your local grocery stores. Some, not all. Some grocery stores offer you cardboard boxes to put your groceries in. Some offer for you to buy reusable bags. If this lands in the ocean, you know what's going to happen? A turtle is going to think dinner jellyfish. I don't think they have taste buds. Have you ever tried one of these? It's not very tasty, and they're kind of hard to break apart. Like that's not going anywhere. Think about your whales, your filter feeders, and then a filter feeder's gonna come by and just it ends up in their stomach. And where does that whale end up? Washed on a shore, dead from plastic consumption. Could you imagine reading an autopsy? Death from plastic consumption. 331 animals were found deceased. Those are just the ones that were found, and that was in 2015. We have probably tripled, quadrupled the number of plastics we've used. How are we going to fix this? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Tired of hearing about that? Cool. So you know what else you can do? Organize a beach cleanup. Get involved in your community. I don't want to see plastic and I don't want to see dead animals at the ocean. I don't want to see it at the beach. Get involved. Click the links below to see what you can do.